How's it going, guys? I just want to make a quick little video today about a new product to me called AirFlaps. Now, if you're an Enduro rider or a harder adventure rider that wears a motocross helmet with goggles, keep watching this video. So if you live in a hot climate or a cold climate, these are going to be a game changer. I'm forever taking a tissue or a cloth or something like that with me, and I always find myself stopping halfway down a trail and I just can't see anymore. Whether it's sweat dripping down my face or my lenses are fogging up because it's so cold outside, I'm stopping, wiping them out, wiping my face down, putting them back on and then going, another 5 minutes down the track, I'll probably have to repeat it until I get out onto some sort of a flowy section. Now, I know there's other solutions out there, anti-fog lenses. Now, I run Oakley air brakes, which are one of the more expensive goggles on the market. They still fog up when I'm on slow, hard, technical, single track, especially in the cold. And I don't want to be taking my goggles off at all, at any point, stopping on the bike. I just want to keep riding. And AirFlaps gives me that ability. So these are the AirFlaps. As you can see, pretty self-explanatory, they're flaps, right? They've got 3M adhesive behind them, easy to install. All you have to do is wait for 24 hours and they're adhered properly to the helmet. Okay, I've got the goggles on the helmet now. As you can see, they don't obstruct anything. They don't obstruct your vision. You don't even know they're on there. But as soon as you hit that hard single, you're starting to heat up, your goggles are fogging up. It's just this one motion. So that gap is going to allow cold air in there to clear up the vision. You're not having to stop, you're not having to wipe anything. It's just that one simple motion forward that's allowing that cold air in and clearing the vision. All right, guys, like I said, this is the best solution I've found. It takes half an hour to install, 24 hours to adhere fully, and then I'm out on those trails. I don't have to take my goggles off at any point to wipe them down, clear up the fog. You don't want to be taking these goggles off at any point during the ride. It's that one time you take them off and ride for 2 minutes and a branch hits you in the eye and causes serious eye damage, if not, blindness, which you just don't want. This motion, flicking it forward and backwards, takes 1 second and I can have clear goggles. It's just a cheap, simple, effective way to ride with clear vision the whole time.